shares of Tesla. I mean, this is incredible. The stock has been higher in 7 of the past 8 sessions. In the green again this morning, set for a fresh record high. Take a look, we're at $1,129. Then check out shares, though, of EV maker Lucid. They're shooting higher and pushing the company's market cap up near Ford's. I think we actually might be above Ford's, only about $8 billion separating them, but we're very, very, very close. Joining us right now is Amy Wu Silverman, head of derivative strategy at RBC Capital Markets. Sarat Sethi's here, managing partner and portfolio manager at DCLA, is also a CNBC contributor. Good morning to both of you. Amy, you live in the derivative markets, but what does this say about risk appetite right now?
Well, Andrew, look, Tesla's always special, particularly in the options market. And, look, we've seen very heavy call option buying, that may not necessarily be the only contributor, but definitely on the margin does impact the market, particularly with retail buying a lot of out-of-the-money call options. That drives up these scenarios, which, you don't hear about until you do, like gamma squeezes. And I think all of that does contribute to some of the recent moves that we've seen in the stock specifically.
Well, so how much of it is that versus, I don't want to say value investors, but maybe value investors playing in this space?
One snowballs on the other. So obviously the news from Hertz, of course, was the initial driver. But then what you have happening is people start, not only owning shares, but trying to leverage those with out-of-the-money calls on top of that. So the way we measure that with equity skew in the market, we saw that move rapidly. It went from very high, so showing very bearish demand in Tesla, to going almost negative. So that means that it is impacting it even along with kind of fundamental investing.
Hey, Sarat, can you extrapolate from what's going on in EV land to the rest of the market or no?
In a way you can. I mean, the demand for EVs is going to be so big. And I think, so you've got a couple of players in here. You've got the value players playing the Fords, the GMs, some of the European makers. And then on the momentum side, you have Tesla. And now you've got Lucid. So you've got a whole bunch of investors in here. And Amy's absolutely right. Using options and, some type of leverage, you can really pop up these stocks. So the question is, how far and how quick they go. But if you're on the other side of it, you could get hurt pretty badly. But there's a lot of opportunity here, Andrew. I think the world is definitely moving towards EV, and you can play in many parts of this.